Here's where it all comes together. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a budget so you can actually stick to it, even with rising costs. Point 1. Start by listing all your income and expenses. Use the totals from step 1 and step 2 to make sure that nothing's missed. Point 2. Split your spending into categories. Essentials like rent and bills, debt repayments and savings, and non-essentials like dining out, gifts, or entertainment. Point 3. As an aim, where possible, a good split to start off with is the 50-30-20 rule as a guide. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Point 4. Once you've done this split, you can then make little tweaks to adjust for your situation. This will be dictated by your essentials. For example, if inflation has made groceries more expensive, but your income has stayed the same, you might need to shift funds from non-essentials to essentials. Point 5. Don't forget your annual costs. Things like car insurance, perhaps an educational course, holidays, health routine checkups, or Christmas gifts. Spread these out across the year so that it don't surprise you. Since you've made it this far into the video, our Thrive Allies points are: when putting your budget together, it's best to have totals for each month, January to December. You may spend more in winter on clothes than you do in summer, or more on gifts in February, because all your family members are born in that month. Account for it. This makes it realistic. Rather than just allocating £20 each month for gifts, one month may be 40 and another month might be 10, but make sure that annually it fits into your overall split. Some of you may wish to align to the fiscal year of April to April. This will be more pertinent for sole traders and business owners who do a personal tax return. Secondly, use apps like Moneyhub to automate and track your spending against your budget in real time. You can also use Moneyhub or any other app that suits you to give you an idea of what categories to use for your income and expenditure. A helpful feature is being able to manually create new categories as well as different saving pots as you go along. And remember, if you have information about how your year may look, use it. And if you're not sure, include a bigger contingency to protect yourself. See our Why You Need a Budget in 2025 video for more information. If you've built your budget, let us know in the comments. Which category surprised you the most? Don't forget to subscribe. Next up is tracking and adjusting your budget each month to stay on track. Let's start thriving together.